Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Uzamantongo Khumalo. So does paying extra on your bond make any difference? Getting a home loan can be such an intimidating experience. You're signing up for a line of credit that's a couple of $100,000s and sometimes well into the millions. Those first few payments can hurt you quite a bit. That 20, perhaps even 30-year loan term might sound like an eternity, but there are ways that you can go about in making sure that it's shorter. One of them is to pay a little extra every month. Committing to pay a little extra on your home loan goes a long way. Whether you pay as little as 50 rands or even in the thousands, paying extra reduces your loan term, and this is of course something that you want. Something to always bear in mind is that the first few years of paying for your home loan essentially pays the interest. All the extra amount that you pay off then goes towards the principal debt. So as much as possible, add that little bit extra and you might find that your 20-year loan term ends up being as short as 18, 15, sometimes even 10 years. It really does depend how much extra you pay every month. For more tips and advice on all things property, visit our blog on www.builders.co.za.